Hi guys, it's Ken here at KBD Productions TV and welcome back to another Ken Domik food review just for you. I'm here with Eric Surf6. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Behind us is about 20 or 30 vending machines. They got ramen, they've got drinks, and they got hot food. I can't wait to get into this. Ooh. And do you know what I've noticed, Eric? In Japan with these vending machines, there's a lot of Japanese people. What's that about? Why did you try the vending machines as the drinks, Ken? They've got a load of drinks like green tea. You like that? Yeah? Are you out your freaking mind, Eric? Who drinks tea? Ken, dummy, he only drinks Pepsi, Coke, or beer. You're losing it, buddy. Okay, Ken. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wash your wow. Your burger's ready. Wow, buddy. Wow. Is that Japanese for enjoy your food you just said there, Eric? Now it's backwards. Alright. Let's get into this, shall we? Oh, it's just found the back there. Just put it down the side there. Wow. Look at the grill marks on that. That's a thing of beauty. I think there's a little man in that machine with little fingers that customly makes every burger for each person. Wow. It smells like it's just been nuked. It's been nuked. There's not much taste to this. Tastes like a cheap shit salad steak that you put in the microwave. That is some rough shit right there. Ken, what do you think? Is there a lot of volume there? Buddy, is there a lot of volume? Is there a lot of volume there? What do you think, Ken? I don't know, Eric. The bun's kind of soft, and then it's hard. It's probably stale. I don't know. I think because this machine's nuked it. It does feel hard. Ooh la la. Are you ready, Ken? Are you ready? He's ready in 3, 2, 1. You ready? Watch this finger. Watch this hand. Eric, can you stop these kids party tricks? I'm trying to do a serious video here because it's a business. I'll tell you the best trick I know. I get a receipt from the drive-thru, put it to one side with the rest of the receipts, and at the end of the year, the taxman turns a bit of paper into money. That's the best trick, Eric. Okay, guys, here's mine. There's a lot of volume there. There's a lot of volume. Oh yeah. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, look at that. Look at that cheese. Look at the cheese pull. It's a pork patty with some cheese on it, bud. I think it'll taste better with a bit of sauce on there. Wait a second, guys. Ketchup. Ooh, oh my. Let's put some on there. That'll do it. Oh yeah, guys. That's better. It tastes better than it looks. That's good. Okay, guys, I'd like to thank Eric Surf6 for coming today, even though his magic tricks they do for kids piss me off, but thanks anyway, Eric. On my rating scale, guys, I'm going to give that burger an indifferent, because it tastes like shit. I wouldn't recommend it. It's an indifferent. What about you, Eric? What did you think of yours? Okay, guys, on my 6 Eric Eds from 1 to 6, I'm going to give it a meh. Eric, what kind of rating scale is that? A meh? You gotta say go out and get it now or indifferent. What does that even mean? Meh. What do you mean, Ken? It's free Eric heads. Free. It's my head's going. It's a meh. Everyone knows that. It's free. Says you, Ken, who calls bloody noodles pasta or pasta noodles. It's noodles from Japan. Well, Eric, I say ding 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 ding. Go out and get it now. It was that good. Ooh la la. What you got in your bag, buddy? Well, I say that's a lot of volume right there. A lot of volume. And I say, get some. That's some moral, Ken Domik. Give me my receipt. Give me my receipt. This is a business. I need that receipt to get the money back from the tax man. Give me my receipt. Ah! Hey, Ken Domik, I've got a little trick for you. Get some, and I'm never clubbing with you again like all the other people. That's the motto. Get some. Well, I'm never going to collab with you again, Eric Surf6. Get some. What's that? Get some. Well, I need to get some. Get my receipt out of the machine. Get my machine. Ah! Machine, give me a receipt. Oh, Gary. Receipt. Ken Domik out.
It wasn't good. It wasn't a good thing. Oh my gosh.